Hi, my name is Eylene Pirez, and I'm an astrophysicist, and this is a comparison of rocky and gas planets. So to be clear, the rocky planets are the first terrestrial planets, and is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And the gas giants are the last four, and is Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. So let's make a versus table just so you get an idea of the main qualities between the two. So here is going to be the list for rocky, and here is going to be the gas giants. So as we said, the location compared to the sun, the rocky ones are close to the sun. And I'll use the sun as a circle with a dot in the middle. And the gas giants are far. Now let's talk about size. So when we compare any of the gas giants to a rocky, the gas giants are about 100 times bigger than almost any rocky planet. So in terms of mass, rocky planets are small, and the gas giants are very massive. And then let's talk about density. So when we look at a rocky planet, we can find iron, heavy, all these heavy elements. And when we look at the gas giants, they're made mostly out of hydrogen and helium, which is light elements. So the density of the gas giants is actually, they're less dense. And the rocky are fairly heavy density. Now let's look at the structure. So the rocky planets have a solid core and a solid surface. So solid cores with a surface. And then the gas giants are they're mostly gas, and some of them have been proven to have a rocky core, but the size and the actual specifics about the rocky core are not really understood yet. So maybe a solid core with a gas envelope. All right, now let's talk about the atmosphere. The atmosphere of the rocky planets are very thin because the gravity of the rocky planets is actually quite small compared to the gas giants. So our atmospheres for rocky planets are thin, and the gas giants have really thick atmospheres, since their ability to retain gas is very large. And then let's talk about the moons. When we look at a rocky planet like Earth, we have one moon. When you look at something like Saturn, they have 65 moons, 70 moons. So the rocky planets have few moons, and the gas giants have many. And then let's talk about rings. We don't have any rings in the rocky systems, so there's no rings. And every outer planet has rings. The biggest ring system is found in Saturn. And so are some of the differences between rocky planets and gas giants. My name is Eylene Pirez, and I'm an astrophysicist, and this is a comparison between rocky and gas giants.